Hello friends, today we will see in the another most important question of object-oriented programming is what is polymorphism and what are two different types of polymorphism. So first we try to understand what is polymorphism. Poly means many, of morph means change, or in simple word polymorphism means the property of object to act differently under different condition. Please everybody carefully listen this definition, the property of object to act differently under a different condition. So it's a meaning of polymorphism. And the next question is what are two different types of polymorphism. So first is static polymorphism and second is dynamic polymorphism. Here I write a static polymorphism because in this video we will totally understand what is the basic fundamental, what is the basic funda of static polymorphism. So static polymorphism is nothing but like a method overloading, or in simple word static polymorphism is also known as a method overloading. So for a better understanding, now we go and click on your start button and open Visual Studio. Open a new project and give a nice name to it, static polymorphism, and just OK it. Press on OK button, and now we will see in the nice screen on your board. Here already we have one class, it is a class program, and we are creating another class. Its name is class static, or class static. Its name is static poly. Class, give a nice name, test static. Okay, in test static we have passing one method, public void test add. In this method we are passing parameters. It's int a and int x. Whatever name you want to write here, you can write. We are passing int a and int x, two parameters, and now we are passing add here. And now we are now we are adding both parameters, int a and int x. So pass a plus int x, write console dot write line and add, passing add. This means this add your both the parameters a and int int x. And in the test static class we have passed one method. In simple word, we are passing another method with same name, test add and test add. But in the second test add method we are passing three parameters, int a, int x and int y. So as we first discuss what is polymorphism, that time I told you please carefully listen the definition of polymorphism. So what are the definition of polymorphism? The property of object to act differently under a different condition. So here we see the property of object act differently under a different condition or a situation. So we are passing a third parameter's name is y. Okay, now go create its object, test static obj static equals to new static. And when you write obj static dot, when you put dot you get a test method. So add test add method, and now you seen when you start bracket here, it give two properties. We are also adding int a and int x, and we are also adding three parameters, int a, int x and int y. So first we add int a and int x. So pi write console dot read line and just debug this program for seeing the nice output here. When you debug, it give a nice output here. It's 10 because we are adding two parameters, int a and int x. 5 of 5 plus what, 10. So when you're passing two parameters, you get a two parameters output. When you're passing three parameters, int a, int x and int y, now you debug this, you get a nice output here, 15, because you are adding three parameters, 5, int a, int a, int b, int a, int x and int y. So this is a simple example of a static polymorphism. Hope you are understanding this example. So thank you for listening this video. Thanks a lot.